Do you want your scope to make more accurate measurements? Measurement noise from a scope causes measurement accuracy errors. The more noise, the more inaccurate the measurements are. A quick way to characterize instrument noise is to disconnect all inputs and measure the thickness of the signal. Let's take a look. Users often care about noise at the most sensitive vertical settings, and the MXO5 scope has the lowest noise floor in its class at 1 millivolt per division. Observe the standard deviation of the noise, about 140 microvolts at this particular setting. This is important because a scope can never measure a signal that is lower than its own noise floor. By using a low noise scope like the MXO5, all automated measurement values will be more accurate, ensuring precise results. Check out the Rohde Schwarz MXO oscilloscopes in your lab. See the difference.